Okay, runner-up last year, Randy. This year, you're the champion. Your thoughts on your match here against Nicholas Gore?
Yeah, it was a good match. I served really well. Um, Came off forehand pretty good, and backhand was a shaky at times, but overall good enough.
People are quite impressed by your game, so you've left an impression on people. Your thoughts on this final here?
Yeah, it was a good. He played very well. It was a hard-fought final. I tried my best. Unfortunately, I wasn't good enough to give him like great run for his money. But I tried my best, and he was just too good today.
It was a really grueling match. There are opportunities I had where I actually had a match point in the second set and threw it away. Several match points actually. So it took a lot to kind of dig deep, forget about that mistake and push forward. But all kudos to Seretse as usual. It's never an easy match. I could have made it in 2 sets, but he made it difficult and pushed it out to a third set.
Same all with Rudy. It just wasn't my night. Trying to hit through the ball and get it moving through the court. To put myself in advantageous positions, but I just found that I wasn't able to do enough of that tonight.
Give credit to Bradley. He's a tough player. Have some solid shots. My game plan was just to try and stay in there and slow it down as best as I could. At some point, I felt like I was getting winded and he was taking advantage. But I'm really happy to pull out the win at the end.
I think today, honestly, I gave him my best shot. My stamina just didn't hold out for this match. I've been fighting every day this week, and it's been rough. And he definitely got the better of me.
You're on a roll, seemingly. This is your second title in a row in just a couple of weeks, a week and a half maybe?
Yeah, it was an excellent match. I maintained my composure out there and I just played tennis. That's basically what I did today, just enjoy the game.
This time coming in, she's a very good opponent, and I think with the proper conditioning, I could have been better. Work all day, then coming into a match, not winding down, kind of just couldn't find the gear and stay with it. I think that's it.